Hey there. We're looking at the USD Canadian dollar. This is the 1 hour time frame, and right now we've got an opportunity potentially to go long. We've got the price above the moving averages. The price is above the blue moving average, which is above the red moving average. So we've got that uptrend here. The RHViper indicator, this is bullish. We've got the blue line of the Viper indicator above the red line, and it doesn't much matter what the RHViper filter is doing, but it's blue. Again, doesn't much matter. What we need to do now is wait for the price to come back and touch that blue moving average. Okay, so we've got that market moving back and it touched that blue moving average. So we're in the setup phase of this buy trade. The next thing we want to see is a signal to go long. So we are looking good for potentially a buy trade. We're in that setup, and the next thing now is to look for that long opportunity. A whole bunch of candles have passed by. We've got the market dropping down, and currently we have what could potentially be a long opportunity. We've got a candle closing or moving above this blue moving average. The RHViper indicator, its histogram bar is blue, and the RHViper filter also has a blue bar. So if this candle closes where it's at and a green arrow appears underneath this candle, we can be looking at a long trade. So we got exactly what we were looking for. We've got that green arrow showing up underneath this signal candle, and this is a signal candle. This candle has closed. This next candle is opened. So on this signal candle, we've got that green arrow. It is closed above the blue moving average. This RHViper histogram is blue, and the RHViper filter is also blue. So I'm going to place a buy trade at its current location. Again, this is a signal candle, and we can go long. So we've got that buy trade entered, and we are in the trade. So now it's time to place the stop loss underneath this recent swing low. And with that stop loss placed, we're going for a 1-to-1 profit target. So I'll place that now. And the next thing is, after I've got all of this placed, is to look for an opportunity to manage the trade. So I'm looking for one candle to form completely and entirely above this blue moving average. So I'll be back when that happens. Okay, well, it didn't take long. We got this next candle printed, it closed, and it is entirely above this blue moving average. No part of this candle touches that blue moving average. This current little white one is in play. This one is currently forming. So this one is now closed. And I'm going to take my stop loss from this recent swing low, and I'm going to place it just underneath this blue moving average of that closed candle. So with that, we've got a stop that is being trailed, and we've reduced the risk on this to a little bit less than half. So what we're going to do is continue to do this for every new candle. We're going to keep moving this stop loss closer and closer to the entry, and maybe even into profit. So I've been doing this along the way. I've been moving my stop loss along this blue moving average. This is the currently closed candle. This candle is currently forming, and the stop loss is just underneath this blue moving average. So again, we're going to keep doing this until the market takes us out. And the market is going to take us out either by hitting our stop loss or our take profit. And this one candle finished us off. We are out in profit. This was a really nice trade. We did not have a whole lot to be too concerned about. We did have a little bit of a pullback. That is going to happen. We must expect that in every trade. Sometimes we get fortunate and it doesn't happen at all. But again, this is the way the market's often going to move. All right, thank you for watching this video, and I'm going to see you in another trade video.